A lot of people don't realize that a pair of calipers aren't nearly as accurate as a pair of micrometers. Most of our customers get a hold of us to help alleviate first article inspections, to transition them through the shop smoothly. Some of our customers get a hold of us as an unbiased lab to provide measurement data. Some of our customers get a hold of us for both mentoring and ongoing education, simply because they don't really understand the steps of what education they need, how to transition an employee from a normal floor inspector to be a minor or a beginner into metrology. So metrology is the science behind measurement. Not to get too deep in the weeds, but a lot of people don't realize that a pair of calipers aren't nearly as accurate as a pair of micrometers. And micrometers are great for linear measurements across distances, but they don't really accommodate 3D space measurements such as true position and or form. You can get a bunch of different machines to do form or size or location, but a coordinate measuring machine or a CMM is great because in 3D space it can accommodate all those things with just one piece of equipment. My name is Ryan Ploughe, and honestly I could talk about metrology all day.